Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. So welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you guys amazing and stunning Christmas tree, mannequin, beautiful ideas to decorate and to wear different type of amazing, beautiful designs. You guys can watch easily from my this video collection. Really helpful for you people to wear and to decorate it in your homes. Beautiful and amazing designs you guys will get only on my channel. So I want to request you people to watch this video and my previous videos as well as upcoming videos as well. Different type of amazing beautiful designs you guys will watch, and my each video will give you different type of amazing beautiful ideas to decorate and to wear and style as well. All type of Christmas stuff is easily available on my videos, so you don't have to search any other channel for any video. You can watch all channel, all videos and all type of decoration on my channel. So do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon as well if you guys want to watch this type of collection more on my channel. And give me your reviews and your feedback most in the comment section. You like my this video and collections, I will definitely try to bring more amazing beautiful collection for viewers in my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my this video collection. I will be back again with my another amazing video.